You're like many managers and business owners that I talk to, and you have trouble staffing, at least from time to time, your front front office receptionist. And I've got something for you that I think that you're going to like here. We've got the new Ring Central AI receptionist, which is a super easy way for you to make sure that those calls are answered every time the way that you want, and even during lunch breaks, after hours, have a consistent front to your business for people who are calling you. And so it's really easy to get going. You just click, I'm inside the portal here. As you saw, I clicked the receptionist. We go over here into start. We can pick who we want it to be. Doesn't really matter. You can have a male voice or female voice. Pick whoever you want. We'll go with Jackson here. Call one over, and we don't have to call him Jackson. We can call him Fred, and continue. Here goes the setup. Our company description. We would type in our company description and make that as detailed as we could. We include our website link. So, and we're off to the races. I'm not going to fill every one of these out, but these are pieces of information that it will use to be working. We've completed those. We now come over here. We've got our location and business hours. This has my main location. It's got business hours in here. I can change that, make it whatever I want later. Set our greeting. In this case, I might want to say, thanks for calling. This is Fred, your the real-time networks AI receptionist. How can I help you? And that's really all we've got to say to get on to the next one. We want to enable transfer by name, allow transfer by name. And basically we can finish the basic setup that easily. And it's going through and it's processing, it's reading the website. I'll clip some of that. It's up so quick, I won't clip anything out. So here, once we're there, we can go in here and we can make other changes to our custom greeting, for example, and go in here, and if later on we decide it wasn't the best when we did it, we could change that. We have this for all hours. We have a separate one for closed hours, but you can do it however you want. You can have the same greeting 724 if you'd like, um, depending on the kind of business that you have. You can add other business locations if you need to. So that's real easy. Add different offices, different information, different work hours for different locations potentially. All that's really easy. And then you can jump on over in here into the frequently asked questions. And we have a list of frequently asked questions in here that all the answers are generated by AI. This is based on it reviewing our website. As you saw a few minutes ago, it wasn't pulling any of those forward. So that's easy to turn on. Transfer by name is active. So we've got all these functions active. There's some other things that we can do if we want to. We can include knowledge bases if you have other knowledge bases besides your website that you want it to tap into, which can sometimes be helpful if you have preliminary troubleshooting and things like that that you want people to have a little bit of help with to be able to expedite. You can transfer by context. So one thing for service calls, another resolution for sales calls. The system can also send text messages in certain examples, and it can do appointment booking. Now, I'm not going to go into the detail on these more advanced ones in this video because I want to keep it under 5 minutes, but there you have it. Watch for more coming on some of these other modules. Hope you're having a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.